Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Said. I'm bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered. I'm back to fix the country. See you later. Hi.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Mtori promise Mary. Mtori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu.
Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
Clumsy, hi.
Guys, the clubs are so worried about me. Don't make me laugh.
The one who feels the pain.
But you're the one that's making me laugh. Many time.
Next, next.
Okay.
Natula.
Time to play is fucked up today. We can't.
It's time to play.
Because if someone bumps my chin, everything has to stop.
So this cat just now.
Don't have time to play, James. Why did I come to work then? Because now you can't function. I mean, I'm neutral towards it.
Not neutral.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Finally.
I'm good. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I got around asking couples questions.
Yes.
Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Would you be okay with a couple of questions?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
These are 10 questions I call.
How long have you been together? What's his favorite color? Do you cook for him? Just simple couple questions.
6 months.
I was giving you an example, Lovey. I haven't asked yet. Are you okay with those type of questions?
Yeah.
Okay, come closer. I want you guys this side for me. Right. Thank you. Thank you. On my right, son.
Okay.
Okay, name?
Uzianda.
Zianda and?
Tulani.
Tulani, how long have you been with Uzianda?
6 years.
6 years.
Yes. I mean 6 months, ne?
Oh, that would have been lovely. I was like, are you guys married? You guys, okay.
No.
Okay. Okay, 6 months.
Yes.
Okay, where did he meet you?
A mall.
A mall.
The Glen Mall, yeah.
Okay. How did he approach you? Do you remember, Z?
Wow. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula sasikuma escalator.
You? Were you in there first?
Andela.
Oh, he followed you in.
Yes.
Tulani, what did you say?
Phela mina ngixakiyos ndaqala ndangena Discam ayiboni xa kwengilobhuti ondilandelayo. Xa nikhwela kuma escalators ayibona ngemva kwam.
You didn't panic, Glekle?
But ndandisoyika ndiqoma ngathi uzandibamba inkunzi lo. Ndabe sikhwela ke ngoku endicela uba mandime ndema sancokola ke ngoku.
And the rest was history. And that was it.
Yeah.
Okay. Tulani, did you make it official same day? Did you ask her to be your woman same day?
Yeah.
Okanya, you guys went through a talking phase first.
By that time, but that day kwaba nokuthi nje no sikhulumenyana nje sakhuluma ndawe sakhuluma ngakhona. Wase nginikeza ama contact numbers ukuthi no, let's talk over the phone. So sakhuluma lokha jika.
Wona jika udlala hard to get here.
Yeah, lokha jika.
The
end. Yagcina sethi Tulani ngiyakuthanda. Kwase kuba kanjalo.
Oh, wena umchama for eza veki.
Umsendana the nice pictures. Walokho asibuka sibheka.
Umbonisa uba ungumjito right.
Uthi ngumjito right. Exactly.
Okay, I get la nje. Uvuvile zi?
Wathi ufuna ukukhupha for ikota.
Oh, ikota. So if first date yena ikota.
Saye emakoteni.
Why ivumanyana zi?
Ewe kaloku ngiqomba nami ngithathekile kaloku.
Yes, itype yakho.
Ewe.
Okay, no, I understand. Yeah. But upgrade from ikota Tulani noko 6 months ngoku.
Ngangifuna nje ukumkhombisa ukuthi ngifuna ukumcheck ukuthi umuntu othanda izinto or not. So uthe mayithi hayi nongithanda ikota ngathi okay. Asambe sekota.
Tulani bekuzothini bethanda izinto Uziyanda?
babethe bantwana ndifuna
Bengizabona ukuba ngumntwana othanda izinto ezimnandi.
Mm.
Ezimnandi kodwa nje ngathi hayi no.
Mm.
Usifunela ikota ngoba ngumntwana wasekhasi ne.
Mhm.
Ngathi no, yeah, it's fine. Ithi ngumpa ikota.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is it that you like about her?
Come again?
What is it that you like about her?
Ish. Kuningi engakuthanda nje kuye kuningi.
Yeah. Ndakubona ujonga umzimba nomzimba.
Exactly, ibody nokukhuluma kwakhe respective nokumnandi.
Yeah.
Is all that thing that was making me to love her.
Okay. Z, what is it that you like about her?
Romantic, uyakhathala, akho nto ndiyidingayo.
Akho nto idingayo Z. Hayi ndayithanda loo nto.
Akho nto.
Umthembile ke ngoku.
Kakhulu.
On a scale of 1 to 10 ngamrate.
Beka pha ku-9 man.
9 out of 10.
Yes.
Thulani, do you trust her?
Hey, I trust her.
Okay.
Trust her.
On a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, she gave you 9.
You. Me, I gave her. Ish. I don't know how can I say it that way. I love this guy. I don't know how can I say.
Hayi ndiyakuva. Sondela Z, come closer. Do you guys trust each other?
Yes.
Ndiyamthemba.
Uyamthemba?
Kakhulu futhi.
Okay. Didn't I ask that already? That when I'm rate on a scale of 1 to 10. Sorry, guys. You know what? What we do on this show, ne? We make couples switch phones. We are testing your loyalty. Right? Would you guys be okay with that?
Yes.
Right, no.
No, Tulani, to right, to tools, to right, now right? Okay, so ngale ngefoni kabani ke?
Siyaqala nangeyam.
Okay, vula ke phone. Tools, can I have your phone? Hey, nivume quick man. Tendinganisokolisa. Okay. Tools, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type love you.
Okay.
Okay. Ndibona wena mnapha at the top.
Yes.
Nguwe Mosnelo?
Yes.
Okay. I don't see. Do you see anything dodgy? I don't see anything weird. Akho nto ne?
Yes. Nothing.
Okay. Delete that. Type miss you.
Yes.
Okay, what do you see, Tools?
Nothing I see.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type babe.
Yes.
Andiboni into mna mos eDodge.
Nothing.
Okay, delete. Type outside. You're just checking who's fetching your woman.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, what do you see?
Nothing.
Okay, delete that.
Yes.
Type thank you.
Yes.
Nguwe Moslona.
Yes.
Nothing. Okay, delete. Type ngiyabonga.
Yes.
You again. Okay, delete. Type pregnant. Uzisan. Siyas.
Yes.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Hey, I type in the meet. How meet is it? Okay.
Nothing.
Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Yes.
Hey, it's not clean. Okay, delete. Type test.
Yes.
At least you guys are responsible. Akekho omnye umntu must go wedwa again. Okay, delete that. Clumsy kanene. Siqobile ne? Thank you. Thank you, my scat. Hayi ke yayibona intombi yakho Tools. Trustworthy. Yothela uzoziphoxa.
I don't think ukuthi ngizosiphola.
Okay, vula. Vula.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Faka ifoni empokothweni ungayibisi. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type love you. That's you, ne? Okay, delete. Type Tanda. That's you again. Hey, I sound okay, delete. Does he type a lot in English or Zulu?
Msulu.
Okay, delete. Type Kumbula. Hey, I sound Z. That's you, ne? At the top there, but
Yeah.
okay. I don't see anything else weird. That's weird. Okay, delete that. Type Mama. Okay,
Asindim.
go into the chat. Tools. Sibona izinto apha.
Kubani abonke?
Cousin wami.
Umbiza mama cousin wakho.
Kunokwenzeka nje sibizane the way sibizana ngakhona.
Cousin wakho umbize mama.
Yeah, kuyenzakala.
Nini? Animazi mina lo cousin wakho ngiabongile mina.
Yeah, kufanele ungamazi because akatali.
Khona into oyifisa kum.
No.
Akho mntu wakokwenu mose ngamazi mina.
Lona akahlali ekhaya uhlala le eThekwini.
eThekwini ndiyabazi abantu bakokwenu baseThekwini.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngeke ubazi bonke.
Ngeke ndibazi bonke 6 months ndihlala nawe.
So ubukhe wayovisit eThekwini?
Ebendiyile phambi ngoJuni.
Okay.
Yawuqinisile ubeyile. Kodwa akababonanga bonke kwaba yilabo nalabo babakhona. Lona omunye akazambona.
Andikaze ndeva ngoabongile kaloku. Kanjani bakube nguye yedwa engamazi?
Kuyenzakala ukuthi
Cousin yakho kanjani ngoba abantwana baka-sister bakho nababrother bakho ndibazi bonke.
yes uyabazi bonke mala lo wayengeke.
Cela simfone.
Ufuna umfonela?
Ndifuna umfonela.
Hayi bozi.
Ndiyacela.
Asiyenzi loo nto kule show nje. Kutheni ufuna umfonela?
Ndifuna ukumfonela.
Plums. Asizenzi ke izinto zofona. But
Cela simfonela. Ndihleli mina kanti ndisisi.
siyafuna ke zi. Tools xa simfonela uabongile is she gonna say the same thing?
Yeah.
Bangu cousin, ngumzali.
Yeah.
Ayintsakela.
Intshaqaqa. Yho, ngiyazenza izinto. Hey, uabongile angasenzeli loo nto.
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Abongile?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Abongile?
Yebo.
I've asked him if he knows Tools.
Abongile unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ndiyaphila nami. Yamazi uThulani?
Yebo ngiyamazi uThulani sesindaba.
Uyintoni noThulani?
I-boyfriend yami uThulani. In fact
Boyfriend yani qale nini? Qale nini ba boyfriend yakho uqale nini?
Yo sisi. Imbuzo engaka kodwa ke
Ndiyabuza kaloku nina unyaka niwuthatha phi unyaka ngoba mina ne6 months yonke noAbongile angikaze ndabona nix.
Phela lokho akungifaki kahle kahle khuluma.
Akukufaki ngoba ubhizi naye. Ubhizi naye. Andithi
Ingizi nayo indoda yami nje.
indoda yakho ithatha phi wamba uthatha amadoda abantu wena?
Uba nosesindoda.
Hayi man sundiqhayela wena phendula. Indoda yakho ithatha phi?
Awukhulume noAbu nendoda yakho lapho uThulani.
Ndifuna ukhuluma ungandithumeli komnye umuntu ndifonele wena ndithetha nawe.
Ufuna nike sisi ngikusiza ngani?
Ndifuna ungixelele uba nenza ntoni endiyohlukana naye. Niyathandana udlala ngawe ke ndiyakuxelela. Niyohlukana ngoku ngoba ngeke ndihlukane nendoda yami ngenxa yakho mna.
And uziyanda udibene nefamily kaTools. Udibene wena nefamily kaTools.
And ke ngoku wesiba uyakuphika uthi ungukhazini wakhe. Kodwa usazixelela into yobana ungumntu wakhe. Hayi uyazibhanqa sisi. Hayi uyazenza unqathu. Hlukana namadoda abantu.
Hayi ke sikhuluma nendoda yakho.
Ndithi hlukana naye ndibe ndiyagqibelisa uthetha nawe namhlanje ngoku ngalomzuzu.
Okay.
Okay, uzawuthi ipapa yifafa ke mntanam.
Hayi kunankinga ube
Ndiyakuxelela ke.
Uphole.
Ndiphole ntoni? Oyena muntu ungephola nguwe. Andifuni aphinde ndive kwa igama lakho kule phone.
Besaphi shame.
Thetha naye ngoku. Umxelele uba iphelile.
Yebo.
Yebo.
Ngicela ukuxolisa, ngicela ukuxolisa ukukubiza ngokhazini kanti bezizwana.
Oh.
Ngixolisa kakhulu.
Xolisa ntoni ke?
Ukukubiza ngokhazini kanti sengibanjiwe mina. Ngixolisa kakhulu.
Ngifaka kuphi mina leyo nto?
Yitsho ngoku uba kuphelile.
Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
Udulahle nini naTholani?
Isa zonke ezimpahla ndikwenzela yonke into.
Ngangigcine Nkosi yami ngithi ngizama ukufihla uyabona ukutshela kodwa ngangitshela ukuthi kukhona umuntu engenayo.
Akasebenza ukubheja ngemali yami.
Manje
Qhubeka nomuntu.
Uxelela uba ukubheja ngemali yami.
Inamba yami kuse ngifonele.
Ukuxelela uba ukubheja ngemali yami. Uxelele. Akasebenzi sisikoli esi.
Usupporta ngemali yomunye.
Sisikoli esi.
ngixolisa kakhulu ukukutshela lamazwi ukuthi no useke wangibamba lo mama wakwami so ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
So uyamlahla Thulzi?
Hayi ngiyamlahla.
Uvile ke aboshwe?
Ulahla bani? Ulahla mina noma yena?
Ngilahla wena.
Oh Nkosi yami. Akunankinga kulungile ke hamba ke nalowo muntu wakho loyo ngoba ulandela imali phela vele ngizothini. Anginamali phela mina.
Yo ntase nami siyafana. It's fine.
Ndikhalela usisikhama sencuku uthi na.
So ulandela imali okanye ulandela umuntu omthandayo Thulzi?
Ngilandela umuntu
Ufuna namhlanje
Uyamthanda uZiyanda.
leyo yona ndiyayifuna apha uyibeke apha.
But Ziyanda uyahlala nje na.
Ngiyakufundisa nangoku ezizihlangu. Unxibe mna nje lapha.
But uthi uyahlala nje.
Akananto livukuvuku eli.
Ziyanda uthi uyahlala nje na uthi senimkhululisa.
Ewe makahlale na. Uzashisa zonke uzawunxiba la maraka underpants zakhe.
Ehamba nawe.
Bezena ewe.
Unawe nje na.
Uright uzawuhlala njalo. Andithoba yambona ngoku ngoba unxibe leather jacket neabita. Sithengele ndim ndonke lo. Ndingamkhululisa ngoku.
So zima ke Ziyanda.
Ndizakukhululisa ngoku. Ndiyakukhululisa. Ndiyakukhululisa. Khulula.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sakho.
Khulula.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Akusabandi Ziyanda ntombi kuyabanda Ziyanda.
Mali abantwana bami begranti le. Awusebenzi nokusebenza. Phela kakubi wena.
Xolo man Ziyanda yini kuyabanda nobanda manje.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami yapho.
Zakhulana.
Uyava Thulzi?
Faka amanzi atshisayo ubuyeli kwami.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda
Wena
sami.
ubuyeli wena kwami.
Ziyanda ulahlisa omnye umntwana uthi akabuyele njani kwakho?
Kasoza kana nendawo yolala lapha nje.
Belalaphi before you guys dated?
Andimazi.
Belalaphi Thulzi before you dated?
Phila ngamankazana le nto le.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami.
Amankazana.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami. Xolisa kakhulu. Ngimalile lo muntu phambi kwakho.
Ile umalele ntoni? Nawuphinda ndidibane mos.
Ndabina ndibani?
Ngeke sadibana.
Nawuphinda ndidibane.
Yini okay Thulzi buchitelani kha explain buchitelani. Binguziyanda side chick.
Kwenzeka nje mistake nkosami kwenzeka mistake ngoba waqhamuka ehamba ngemonto enhle wangithama ngayo. Iyona nto enza lokho.
But wambona emall njena so
Ngiyaxolisa.
but wambona emall njena which is imoto uyibone after imall.
Yes, kodwa nje ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Kukho konke ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. That's why ngumlahlile ngithi sengizohlala nawe Ziyanda.
Hayi Ziyanda stop being violent.
Ngiyaxolisa. Yawu ngiyaxolisa Ziyanda please ngiyaxolisa.
Okay so Thulzi yahlala.
Ngiyahlala naye ngiyamthembisa ukuthi ngeke ngisaphinde ngiyenze lento.
Ziyanda GPV Ziyanda sondela.
Jele.
Ziyanda
Imali zami endizichithileyo sisi kulomuntu.
sorry man Ziyanda.
Imali zami endizichithileyo kulomuntu.
But kaloku uzichithe kwezimali kumuntu omthandayo njena.
Yena wenza ntoni namhlanje?
Uyachita.
Yintoni la ndibonisa yona namhlanje?
Amanyuru.
Ukuthi belala hey.
Yima ke Ziyanda okay sorry Sithando we know you're angry.
Sundiphambanisa.
Zi ufuna uma nendoda yakho uzohlala?
Ndizayibulala mna. Andihambi ndiyambulala qha.
You? But sicela uhambe. Do you have transport? Do you need transport?
Ish. I need it.
We'll Uber him.
Yazi nalo lihlala kowalo.
Uberisha kaloku Zee.
Uba uyaphi?
So Zee awuzohlala?
Uba uyaphi?
Uyagoduka.
Oh.
Uzogoduka yaphi?
Makandithesta.
Okay.
Ngizame.
Okay Zee, sixolo
Ngizame.
sithanda, calm down.
Oh, kuyahleka imnandi. Imnandi.
Iyanyumbaza, ndiyakuthathela lapha kanti uyanyumba.
Angihleki Zimba, angihleki.
Ndiyakuthathela lapha kanti uyahleka.
Angihleki Ziyanda, angihleki. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Ngimalile lo muntu phambi kwakho. So manje kuphi lapha engizohamba ngiye khona.
Ndenza isibanqa. Ngizawudibana futhi.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Bese ndisibuza uqale
Ngeke set.
Bezalobola njani?
Ngiyaxolisa.
Nidibene phi naye?
Sidibane elokhojana
Kunjani?
kwenye Shoprite lapha eThekwini.
Thena umthayela igrocery. Ngilambile imali yami.
Awumthengele.
Kaloku that was a year ago, Zee. You met this guy 6 months ago.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Iyakho yena.
1 year ago.
Hlala lapha engabonakali 3 days.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Yimathuzi, since ungasebenzi uzamlobola.
Avela ukuthitha.
Ayi bengeke ngimenzele nix ngoba nangu umuntu ongenzela everyday.
Uzomlobela njani uZiyanda?
Bengizozama nje balokhu ngihlangahlanganisa bengizozama nje ukuthi ngobe lokho yes bengizozama kakhulu ngoba ngiyambona ukuthi umuntu uyaphila.
Family yakho sithi
Uyaphila kakhulu. Ongenzela everything. So lento imane yenzeka nje kwenzeke imistake.
uphi imali yami ugqiba uyobheja ngayo emankazana.
Yikho ngimale.
Unikeza ngayo emankazaneni.
Yikho ngimale phambi kwakho nje ngathi.
Jonga ke ngoku anisakuniki nix uzawuhamba nalo nto yakho.
Mara ngizohamba
Uzawuhamba nalo nto yakho.
Intoni into yakho?
Ukandihambisa.
Intoni into yakho?
Intotolozi le yakho.
Awuzi.
Okanye ufuna namhlanje ebusuku ndiyisike ke. Yiyo ehluphayo.
Ungayisiki.
Oh, ndiyenzeni? Ndiyoje.
Ungayisiki.
Sisi mani Ziyanda.
Ewe.
Ungitshele
Ngizokubonisa.
uphinde wenze lento.
Oh. Usafuna uhlala nami andithi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hambani nobayithuke. Hamba ngetools kodkani. Ziyanda.
Okay, so.
Xolweni guys. Lams, please just watch them, no? Just watch them. Why are you so close?
Ukubona yini?
Please don't make me laugh. I don't know. I think I came too early. Came back to work too early. Yeah, guys. If I speak funny, I have a lisp. It will. I should be able to speak normally by January, but I have a lisp because the stitch is over here, and I can't stretch my lips. If you find me laughing like this in the episodes, because I can't laugh. Are you trying to be funny?
No, that's how you laugh now.
Because when I stretch my lips, it stretches the stitch, which is here. So, but I'll be fine by January. Hey.
I'll say good now.
It's fine. I'll be fine, Tom. You're so worried about me.
It's wrong.
But my chin is not so. It's only so when you touch it.
Oh, Lily.
Don't worry. Hey, Lamini was not playing today, guys. Hey? His time to play is fucked up.
Time to play is fucked up.
No, man, I'll be fine, guys. But anyway, I'm happy to be back. Lamini, shall we wrap?
That's a rap. That's a rap. You're taking a green juice.
I have it already. I'd want some ice cream.
Chris, and I was Chris.
Chris, why did you drink my green juice?
You drank it, so anything Chris that touches
It's what? Contaminated.
Contaminated.
What has Chris ever done to you, Lams? Oh, he owes you money. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Thanks so much.
Yes.
All right, Lams.
No, I'll go right as well.
All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me. We're wrapping the show. Where you going?
When you feel pain, you walk away.
When you feel pains, you walk away.
Well, I'm the one in pain, not you.
I'm also in pains because
whatever pains we are feeling, I'm feeling them too. So it's
Plums, I'm fine. That's why I came to work. It just hurts when I laugh and I can't eat the hard chicken that Chris got me.
yabo into engikhuluma indaba kaChris. Yabo indaba kaChris.
No, Chris, he got me hard ass chicken. How am I supposed to eat that
I
shit?
said it.
Now I'm hungry because I can't eat.
I said warm it up, let it be tender, let it be soft, so that you should be able to chew.
Chew.
Wow, Chris, what high? So,
Because Chris doesn't care about me.
Anandaba,
It's fine.
Chris.
It's fine, Chris. I see you. I know the people that care about me.
Yeah.
Up in this bitch.
Yes.
Klamini, let's
Up
run.
this mother.
Up in this motherfucker.
Asambili.
Alright, TMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _Dlams.
Welcome _Dlamini 88 Sabo.
Bye!
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.